Hi everyone, I'm Thelma and my channel is Seasonal Crafts and Creations. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. If you like DIYs and hauls, then this is the channel for you. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd really love to have you as part of my family here on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get to crafting. Okay, for the first DIY, you will need a bucket. This is the one that I have from the Dollar Tree. This was last year's, but I can't find their fall ones this year. I've looked 3 different stores. And you will need some of these skewer, move baby, skewer sticks. You need 1. You will need 3 of these pumpkin fillers and an owl. Okay, first let's just take the tag off, and there went one of my pumpkins. I'll show you how to put it back on just in case that happens to you. Give me 1 second. Okay. You fell off of this one right here. You just take it right where it was and get you a little glue. Put right up in there. Stick it on, or in, I should say. Okay. And we'll let that dry for a minute while we're doing the other ones. Now go ahead and take the tags off of the other ones. Alright, now what you need to do, you need to take this and bend it under the length of the bucket that you have. And if you want more, you just buy some extra, buy some extra ones if you want more than 3, and put them in the same way here. Then we'll put this one in. Bring this up so you can see. There. Now, after you get them all in, just, hook them. That way it'll keep them from moving. Get you one of these skewers or any kind of long stick thing would do. Take the pointy end and stick it right up the bottom of your owl. It might take a second to get it into that cotton. Okay, once it's in, just I'm going to have to break some of this stick off. Break about that much off. And just stick him right there. Or, since it's got this little scarecrow, I think it is, make him face that way. And that's it for the first one. Like I said, if you want to get more, get you a couple more and you can put one here and one here, but just make sure you bend them enough to where they'll go from this end to that end, and to where it doesn't come up past about right here. And the next one is a flower arrangement. Now, you might remember this from a couple months ago, about a month ago really. I just painted this flower pot from the Dollar Tree. I painted it white, and then I decided to get some of that rope that they sell. It took about 3 of them, and you just start somewhere. I started at the bottom over here, and you just glue it all the way around and keep doing it. And you can find that in the video with the flower arrangement. Just go to my channel. Anyway, I have some leaves with pumpkins. Just stick them down in there and arrange them as you stick them. I'm going to stick one more leaf. Excuse me. Right there. I'll put this berries right here. Now all this came from the Dollar Tree, these flowers and berries and leaves. And then I have one more leaf with the pumpkin. I'm just going to go ahead and straighten them out before I put it in. Now, get some sunflowers. These came from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to put them straight down in the center and then just arrange them. I find it's best to arrange as you go, and then you can just touch it up after you're finished with the flower arrangement. And don't leave 2 of the same colors together. That way the flower arrangement will look prettier. Now I have some of these daisies. And I have this, it's a pick. You can get these from the Dollar Tree too. And here's the daisies. And again, just arrange them. And then this color, and we're going to put them over here on the other side. Bring this camera up just a little so you can see what we're doing. I'm using a lot of little berries. It came out of the picks at the Dollar Tree, and I just cut everything else off just so I could have the berries to put all around. There's one already here. Make sure you can see everything. And then I have some more Jabura daisies, if you can see that. And let's just arrange these before we put them in. Put them right down in the center. Now let's start filling in this. Here's some more sunflowers. Okay. Now I have some mums. These are yellow and orange mums. Just arrange them to where you can see them. And work your way around. I have some more sunflowers, orange and yellow. Put a couple of them over where you can see them. Okay. Got another leaf here. Putting in. Here's some more berries. And here's fall pick. It's pretty full on this side. Let's see the other. Just work your way around so you can't see the foam inside. And once you have that, then you're finished. And here it is. Okay, that's it for today's DIYs. I hope you enjoyed the two, the one pumpkin arrangement and the sunflower with the mums arrangement. And if you haven't already and you like the video, go ahead and subscribe, and because I would really love to have you as part of my family here on YouTube. And you'll be entering into the contest that I have going on. You can read more about the contest in the description, because I'll put the information in there for y'all. Alright, thank you. Have a good day. Okay, and here are the two items that I'm putting in for today's giveaway. One is Freeman Repair and Honey hair mask. Came from the Dollar Tree. And the other is a Global Beauty Care Collagen Hydrogel Lip Mask. And this came from the Dollar Tree as well. Okay, so those are the ones that's going in for today.